Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to another video on my channel. Today, I want to take you on a delicious journey to the heart of India and introduce you to an authentic and popular drink, Masala Chai. This tea is not only perfect for warming you up in the cold seasons, but it also has a lot of health benefits and is rooted in the rich culture and traditions of India. So stay with me until the end to make this fragrant and delicious tea together and learn more about it. Masala Chai is more than just a simple drink. It is an integral part of Indian culture and life. The roots of this drink go back thousands of years to the traditional medicine of Ayurveda. At that time, various spices were used for their medicinal properties, and combining them with tea created a beneficial and energizing drink. Since ancient times, masala chai has been consumed in India as a warming and energizing drink, and it also has a special place in ceremonies, festivals, and gatherings. In Indian culture, it is believed that these spices help improve digestion, boost the immune system, increase focus, and calm the mind. To make masala chai, we need the following ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk. You can use regular milk, almond milk, coconut milk, or any other type of milk you like. In India, buffalo milk is usually used, which has a stronger flavor. 1 teaspoon of black tea. You can use tea bags or loose leaf tea. Assam tea is suitable for masala chai because it has a strong flavor. Half teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or half teaspoon of ground ginger, half teaspoon of cinnamon. You can also use cinnamon sticks, which have a stronger aroma. 4 to 5 green cardamom pods. Crush the pods slightly to release more of their aroma. 2 to 3 cloves. A few black peppercorns, optional for extra spiciness. Sugar, honey, or any sweetener of your choice to taste. Now let's go through the traditional way to make masala chai. First, pour the water into a small saucepan and place it over medium heat. Then add the ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and black peppercorns, if using, to the water. Let the water come to a boil and simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes over low heat to allow the spices to fully release their aroma. This step is very important because the main aroma and flavor of masala chai comes from these spices. 2. Adding tea. Now add the black tea and let it simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes to release the tea's color and flavor. 3. Adding milk. Slowly add the milk and increase the heat slightly to warm the tea and milk together. Be careful not to let the milk boil, as it will change the flavor. 4. Straining the tea. Remove the saucepan from the heat and strain the tea through a strainer to remove the spices. 5. Sweetening, optional. Now your masala chai is ready. Ah, what an aroma! It really reminds me of the spice markets in India. Masala chai is a unique combination of warm, spicy, and slightly sweet flavors. The aroma of the fragrant spices gives you a feeling of relaxation and warmth. Well, my dear friends, that's how to make delicious and fragrant masala chai in the traditional way. If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next videos. Be sure to write your comments and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you very much for being with me until the end of this video. Until the next video, goodbye.